All right, what's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an LLC in the state of Virginia. All right, so let me move myself off the screen, and I'm gonna share my screen. And as y'all gonna see, it's very simple. Okay, I'm doing it straight from my phone. So first thing you want to do is go to Google. All right, and type in State Corporation Commission. All right, so that's where you would go in the state of Virginia to get your LLC. If you're in another state and you watching this, just type in LLC and then the name of your state. And if you look for a website, typically it's going to be a .gov website, but I know some states still don't have a .gov website. It might be a .org like it is in Florida, sunbiz.org. But anyway, so you come here to State Corporation Commission, click website. All right. Now, you're going to have to create an account for this. So I want to let you know that up front. You're also going to need at least $100 that you can pay using a debit or a credit card. All right. Because it's going to cost $100 in the state of Virginia. All right. So once you're on this home page here, you want to go down to create, or actually you can skip that and go straight to, where is it? Under businesses, go to new business. Where is it? Create new business right here. Bam. All right. So my bad. Click that. Alright, so this is where you're going to have to register. So since you don't have an account, click that green button right there. I already got an account, so I'm going to just skip that and go ahead and log in right quick. Alright, so now you're on your dashboard, alright? So now that you're on your dashboard, the first thing you're going to want to do is click those in the top left hand corner. You'll see the three lines. That's the menu bar, so click that. Those three lines at the top left hand corner. Then click on online services, that second option right there. All right, now scroll down and where it says new businesses, all right, click new businesses right there. All right, now you want to make sure you already checked on Virginia entity, so click that. If it was a foreign entity, let's just say, for example, if you had a company already set up in another state, but you wanted to do business in Virginia, you would click foreign entity, all right? But for now, we're going to assume that you're brand new, so click, keep it on Virginia entity. So click down and go to limited liability company right there. All right, that's what LLC stands for. All right, file and type. You want to do articles of organization. All right, that's what it's called. If you were doing a corporation, it would be articles of incorporation, but for LLC, it's articles of organization. All right, click continue. All right, and again, as I told you before, it's $100 to get it, so they're telling you that right here. All right, scroll down. Make sure you read through all of this. Make sure you understand what you got going on here. They're asking, do you have a name reserved? So the answer is probably no. So what you can do is type the name that you want here and then click check availability. So I'm going to type a name. All right, so I type my name and I'm going to check availability. All right, so it says the entity name entered is not distinguishable. Okay, you know what that means? That means that somebody already has that name, and they do because it's me. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change your name. And also I want to point out something too. Notice that when I typed in entity name, I had LLC at the end. Okay, so if I would have just typed it in without this LLC, then it wouldn't have worked. Okay, so whatever name that you put, make sure you put LLC at the end. All right, now, so let me change this name. So I changed my name. I'm going to click check availability. All right, the name is available. All right, so now we're going to click next. All right, now scroll up. Put in your best email address. If you got a custom email address, you can put it like aj@cleanbiznetwork.com, or you can put your regular Gmail, okay? It's not that serious. Just make sure there's an email address where you're going to actually be checking, okay? So put your email address there. After you put your email address and phone number, then you want to leave the industry code as 0. And then for the duration, leave that as perpetual because you don't want to do a temporary business. You want to definitely, you want, ideally, I would assume you want to stay in business forever, all right? Click next. All right, now here you're going to set up your registered agent. All right, now the registered agent is going to be you, okay, because you're the one who's going to be in charge of managing this company, right? So put your name here. And by the way, if you want, let's just say you already had an LLC. I'm assuming you don't though, because you're watching this video. But you could have clicked entity instead of individual, and you could have put the name of the other LLC owning this LLC. All right, but anyway, scroll down. Now, don't click search. What you want to do is click create individual RA, okay? Because RA stands for registered agent. All right, so click create individual RA. Then what they're going to do is make you re-enter your name all over again. So first thing you do though is click this drop down arrow, and then you want to click this, what is it, the fourth option down where it says member or manager of the limited liability company. So click that. Then put your name and stuff again. Put your address. So you can put your address here. All right. Keep on going down. Put your email address in again. And then click done. All right, so when I scroll back up after clicking done, it says that the address could not be verified. So they found a verified address that was pretty much exactly the same as what I put. So I'm just gonna use this address. I'm gonna use the address that they suggested to me. Then I'm gonna click done again. And now it went through, okay? Then scroll down. And as you can see, you're now the registered agent. So you don't need to enter any more, just click next. All right, then if you go up, they're going to ask you now for the principal office address. The principal office address can be your home address. I'm assuming most of you are going to start off with a home-based business, all right? So where it says attention, you can put your company's name here. So whatever you named the LLC, you can put it here so that way when the mail comes to your house, it'll actually say the company's name up there as well, all right? So put your company name. Then the address. All right, so you got the company name, you got the address. Scroll down, click next. And then it's going to do the same thing as it did last time about the address. I'm going to just click use this address. All right, now here they're going to ask you about the structure of your LLC. What you want to click is member managed, okay? Because with LLCs, the owners are called members, okay? With the corporation, the owners are called shareholders, all right? But in this case, you're a member because you're one of the owners, or if not the owner, you're a single member LLC, I'm assuming. So just click member managed, all right? Then click next. Now this section here is where you can upload any documents that'll go along with your articles of organization filing. So say for example, if you had an operating agreement written up, then you will upload that here. Most of you probably won't have that, so just click next. All right, now here's just where you're going to sign on behalf of the business. All right, so you want to type in your name here. And now I want to point out something because this will hold up your application. If you only put a first and last name in this box here, make sure that you only put a first and last name down here as well. If you put a middle name here and you didn't put a middle name up here in the signature box, then it'll block your application, okay? So put it exactly how you put it in that signature box. All right, then click add. Signature added successfully, click OK. Then click next. Right now you're on the review portion, so just make sure you review everything, make sure everything is entered correctly. Keep scrolling. And then click add to shopping cart because it's about time to pay. Now you just want to scroll down to your shopping cart. And then you can see I have two here because I did an example for y'all before, but I messed up the video when I recorded it. I had it on private mode, so it didn't even show my screen when I was recording my screen. So, but anyway, I'm gonna remove this one so it can be clear to y'all what's going on. All right, so this is the LLC I just created. I'm gonna click checkout, and then you just want to click go to payment, and then click I agree. And then here you just enter your billing information and everything. So I won't go through all of that here. This is pretty self-explanatory. Just enter your debit card information here. One thing I will say is once you're done, it's going to take you back to the dashboard, okay? So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to skip my screen to the dashboard so you can see what to do in order to get a copy of your LLC certificate and everything. All right, so now I'm back at the dashboard, okay? So in order to get a copy of your LLC once you file it, you want to click this second option that says correspondence, all right? So click that, and then you'll see a copy of your LLC right at the top. I got a couple of different LLCs registered under my account, so you'll see a bunch of different ones, but just that's all you need. So you print out the articles of organization, the certificate and every other thing that they got. Make sure you save a copy of it in your records. That's number one. So save a copy in your on your computer. Print out a copy so you can have a hard copy in your file. All right, and then also I would say even email a copy of it to yourself. All right, just as an attachment. That way it'll always be in your email and you can always find it. It's a very simple process, as you can see. This is all you do to get an LLC in the state of Virginia. And typically most states will allow you to get an LLC this simple just by going online as well and paying the little filing fee for it, all right? So, and as you can see, I did it right from my phone, so it's not that hard. So don't go waste your money on LegalZoom or anything else just for a simple LLC, for a simple business, all right? After you do this, I recommend that you go right after this and go get your tax ID number, aka your EIN or employer's identification number. All of those are basically the same thing, all right? And what that is basically just a social security number for your company, all right? So once you got that tax ID number as well as this LLC document, then you can take these two documents and go open up your business bank account. Once you open up your business bank account, then you probably going to want to go get a business license if it's needed for your type of business, all right? And other than that, you on business, all right? So if y'all like this video helps you, make sure you share it. And shout out to, I forgot her name, but it was a young lady locally who reached out to me and asked me how to do it. And I just said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right quick and record this video. So shout out to her. I think her name was Moya. I can't remember. But anyway, now before I let you go, I got to tell you that I own the company Clean Biz Network, and we help people start and grow cleaning companies, all right? So if you want to start a cleaning company, make sure you check out www.cleanbiznetwork.com or just search AJ Simmons on YouTube, and I got hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to start your cleaning company, all right? And you can also, again, check out this website. I got cleaning business starter kits and a bunch of other stuff available for you. Also, if you wanted to make money online, check out getpaidtobu.com, all right? Get paid, the number 2bu.com. all right, getpaidtobu.com is a website I created where I show you how I also make money online as well. So I started off with a cleaning company and I show people how to start cleaning companies, and now I'm showing people how I also make money online. So if you're interested in either one of those, check out cleanbiznetwork.com or getpaidtobu.com. Again, hopefully this video was able to help y'all. I will talk to y'all soon. Share the video if you like it. Thank y'all.